Hey everyone, today I have a nice tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to get over 1,000,000 views with ease. First, you're gonna wanna choose 2 videos and make sure none of them are yours. So I have these 2. One's from Yukimitsu and the other one's from Nintendo UK. Then you're gonna wanna download them without giving a single fuck. I'm using onlinevideoconverter.com. So I put my link right here and then I click start and then download. And do the same for the other one. After that, put them into Sony Vegas and then put them one below the other one, like this. Then cut the parts you don't need. Now just kind of edit them, cut them randomly. This is the most important step apart from stealing legally obtaining the videos, so pay attention. And there you go. Now you're just gonna render the video and then upload it to your channel. Be sure to call it a mashup and don't credit the original creators. That's lame. And whoop, there you go. Over a fucking 1,000,000 views.